we are going to fix this vacuum cleaner. The lady was using it and had fun. She got it caught in the roller and decided, it's going to eat that booger up. And you can see copper down in there. Okay, for tools, you'll want Phillips screwdriver, a pair of wire pliers, and you're going to need 2 wire nuts. Turn this thing around to the back. You've got Phillips screws there, one there. We're going to take those off, so I'm pausing this to remove it. Alright, we got that off, so now you turn it to the side. You've got 2 screws here, one there, and one there. Also all Phillips. We're going to remove them, so I'm going to pause it again. Alright, so I got the screws out. Let's separate this. And there's the innards. Okay, you just simply take those off. You see where your wires are? We're just going to go ahead and take your wire cutters right there. And boom, got that. Because right here, this is where we're going to clean up and connect them back on it. Okay, now on this here, you've got that piece. And then down here you've got this. You're going to have to pull both of those off and put them on your new cord so you can put it all back on. Okay, on this first one, it's pushed down tight. See where it clips? It also has this piece here. You're going to need to be able to pop that out of this slot. Be able to open this up so you can get it all slid off. Because you need that also. So that's part of what you're going to have to do. And you can see the same thing on this one, so we're going to pause and take that off as well.